Let me switch our subject to link. Now, do you remember when you use AutoCAD, we have external reference, right? Link is something like this. Now, Revit file is, let me say, we have architecture project and Revit is a single file, right? We don't have any link. But if you use something else, I mean, something like AutoCAD architecture, and you have many files linked to create one project, right? But Revit is very, very easy because it's a single file. But because of that, file size tend to be large quickly. Right? You cannot send your Revit model by email because of limitation. So it's very limited. You cannot send. Okay, you cannot. Very small project you can send by email, but mostly you cannot. Okay, let me say Revit link is something like this. Let me say you have architectural field, architectural discipline project, and you have structural discipline field. You have MEP, mechanical discipline field, and working together but separately or something, right? Then you don't want to change many things in one single file because it's too big, and the discipline is different, right? Something like this. Now that's one way to think about the link. Another way to think about link, right now I have let's say I have a file here. I have group here, right? And this group, now I click this group. Now, do you see here link? I'm gonna maybe let's say I have a link here on the group here. I want to convert this group as a link. Let me start from here. Link. Okay. Link and replace with a new project file, replace with an existing project file. I want to use a new one. Now, do you remember save as group name? Now, save as group name, but this time is a link file. Right? Link file. Okay, let me say I want to create my computer and this stuff. Okay, sorry, this stuff. Now, same as group name, but group name I already use here. It would be difficult. Maybe let's say I want to create new folder. Okay. Then let me put this because I'll be confused. So I want to link only here and then save as group name. Right? That might be including attached detail group as view. So including that. Now it's converted as link, right? Now what does mean the link means? So let me say I have a link here. Then I want to go to let me take this a little bit difficult. So if you go to manage, sorry, insert. You go to insert, then we have a link here, right? Within a link, you have a manage link. You click this. Just pause for now. Here is manage link, right? Now, link is something, right now it's overlay, and we have two different levels, overlay and attached. Overlay is a one-time link. Attached link has another link and another link. You can take all of that. Okay. The link have embedded link, like a block has embedded block or something, right? Same thing. Yeah, overlay, that's fine, just a one-time link, right? So now that's the status is now loaded, and the name is Windows RBT. So that's the same Revit, right? Same Revit. So link file, that you can see this is an independent file I created, just like a block, not block, group created in independent. So the same thing maintained. Now let's say I want to say I select this. I want to change the status here. Load it, unload. Now, you cannot use this unload button after unloading link, and then but link may be reloaded. So that means you want to keep the link, but you don't want to show this link inside the project. And you can say, okay, so this is a not loaded status, right? Now, and close it. You don't see, right? You don't see. Because the link is available, but it's not loaded. Right? Now, manage link. And now, not loaded, reload. Now, you want to change, reload from something else you want to change, from different location, different file you want, reload to the same location, you can do this, reload from, and you can specify different location, different file. Okay? So, but not right now. Okay, now, let me say, select this, remove, how it's going to be. If I completely remove, link is not available anymore. No link here, right? No link here. So let me say it's okay. So you don't have any link, of course. No link because I removed the link, right? Now let me say I want to make a link. In this case, manually. Manually, Revit link. Where is the link file? I created desktop and the link, right? That's my link file here. Okay. Now manually, let's open. Look at that. Right? That's a link, but it's not inside here. So let me say, this is a case. It doesn't work that way, but you can see this is a link, right? Because the hosting element here. Well, that's a problem here. So now, let me say, we have, okay, let me create a new project. Maybe that might be better because I have already many things here, right? So avoid the confusion. Let me try this one. Let me create a new project, and browse. Let me just take this default, simplest one, right? And open, and project, okay. Okay. Now, let me say, I want to provide a link in here. So, but something like this. Let me just create architecture wall here for now, without changing anything. Then I want to have link, that means insert. Then Revit link. You want to go to desktop. Okay, this PC, right? It's on this long location and link here and here. Right? Now, open. Of course, same situation, right? Of course, same situation. So now that's a link we have, but it's not usable here, right? So what is this? Probably I can do this. I want to take this one as a group. Bind link. You can use this manage link. You can go that another way. Not. I want to select that. Bind link. Now bind link. Do I need level, attachment detail, level grid? I don't have anything in this one. So just maintain attached to detail. I want to keep. And okay. And so that's a foreign type that already exists, but definitely it's okay. And okay, right? Now, let me say what happened. Element cannot be placed as a result of change of group. Okay, now let's see. Detail element. Now, detail element, I delete it here. But do you have group here? Right? Now, do you remember this is a plain, just I added after opening project template, right? I added a wall, and you shouldn't have any model here, right? Any group here, right? But now we have group here, right? Right. So that means actually I created a group, and then that group is converted as a link, and the link is imported here. The link file is inside here, and I convert it again as a group, right? Maybe. See, I can create that, right? Once you convert it group, I can create that window group, right? Now it's not practical, maybe I don't, but I want to show you the relationship group and link is very tightly related, right? You understand? Now, next thing is I would like to say, yeah.
So it's not.
Okay, let me move on a little bit. Want to make another kind of link that may be more practical. Now I have walls here, but I think it's probably I don't need like that. I delete it, right? I delete it. Then let me do this. I want to create a link to here from some existing file. Revit link. Then I want to go to our folder, desktop, and student resource, and here, and class here, and here, and here, right? Now, which one was that? I think it's chapter 6, that's right. I want to link this file inside new file, nothing in there, right? For example, let me just say, now open auto origin to origin. We have more selection here, but for now, because it's no, or maybe center to center is also okay too, or origin to origin. Let's take center to center. Okay, let's say okay. Open. Now, as you can see here, something I have. Oh, but something I have. Okay. Here is a structure element here, right? I put architecture column here, and then it was hidden before, probably. Now, what do I have here? Just like this is a link here, because you can see manage link here, and you see here, right? Overlay, and that is a structure file, chapter 6 Revit, right? Now that's okay here. Now, do you see this is not just 2D? This should be 3D as well, right? So do I have 3D view here? No, I don't have because I just opened, right? So then you're gonna need to create 3D done, right? So now 3D is available, right? Now here is that is a link file, right? If I click this one, linked Revit model, chapter 6 Revit, right? This is not this file. This is just like an external reference AutoCAD file, right? Drawing file. Now you can change this location or so many things, but let me say, actually you can move this one. Let me go to level 1 here. You want to select that. You want to move this. You can move. Maybe let's say you want to move this maybe 20 feet. You can move, right? I've moved up 20 feet, right? Now let me say, let me create something indication. Reference plane. So that's new one probably. Reference plane is a plane which you can use for as a reference, right? Let me select this one, this one, this one. Select this one, this one, this one. Okay, I just select it, right? So that means these are the reference plane, right? Now, if I go to second floor, of course it's showing here, right? Now let me go to first floor. Let me select this link, right? Then let me move this, maybe rotate this. right? Now you see that reference point, right? Now, what happened was, okay, I want to manage it and unlock. Okay, I want to reload. Okay, same thing. All right. Let me say that reload is working, okay, because we didn't cancel the link, right? Now, let me say manage link completely remove. Okay, done, right? Now, let me go to insert link. Do the same thing here, right? Open, back, original setting, right? Center to center. So I move this 20 feet, it's not the same location. And rotate it, it's not the same situation. Yeah? So you understand the difference very clearly. Reload and then reload again. Maybe remove the link and reload different situation. Right? Now let me say here is I have different locations. So let me say if you reload, this kind of situations happen, but let me say another issue is not shared site. If we select this one, it's more complicated. But let me say publish the current shared coordinate system to south. Okay. Acquire the shared coordinate system from that one. So this is very difficult to understand. What is different? I'm not clearly sure, right? But let me say this one is paraphrase. Okay, current share fold chain to another file, or acquire the share fold from this one to current. I want to take that one, right? And deconstruct. Let me see. I want to move this internal. Actually, you remember that I did this point to here. Oh, something that's chancellor. Move. Okay, that should be. Why not? Did I do something wrong? Cancel. Okay, that location. I should move from here to here. Didn't work. Okay, what is that? Shared side link. Okay, shared side link. Okay, because I shared. Okay, that's the conflict thing. I shouldn't do this. I cannot move. Not save back to the link. Okay, back to the link. Okay, let me cancel this one. It's a little bit complicated. Let me just undo. Okay, let me just test this. Let me back again. So I have link here, leading, and then shared coordinate is cancelled. Nothing, right? Then I want to do this. Move this to from here to here, right? I can move, right? Now it's moved here. Then now, okay, let me see. That is okay. Select that. So sometimes it's so difficult, right? What do you do? Tab key. Okay, select it, right? Now we're going to make a shared, not shared, shared. And take that one. And then equals up. I created shared, right? Now, let me say, I'm going to say if it's worked successfully. Now, you can do this, remove, undo, reload from, many things you can do, right? Let me just remove this completely. Gone, right? Gone, and add and select same file. And now positioning center to center. No, I think it's by shared coordinate. Okay. Now let's open. And then okay. Okay. Once you create shared coordinate, each time you don't need to change the location. Exact location you can create. So that's very important. But it's a little bit complicated. Now, by doing this, for example, we have, now let me say, this is structural engineering created this file, but usually architecture at first, right? Then structure created, right? But since I have here, I have a link, the structure file, so I use structure file. Now let me say, if your architecture firm before, maybe structure is available here, existing structure, you want to make a renovation, just structure you want to take, and what kind of building can be made using existing structure. That kind of project in my hand, right? That's actually happened, that kind of shit. Because tenant improvement, many things you need to change. After 15 years, the commercial building after 15 years, it's not suitable anymore, kind of market situation, right? Then you're gonna need to make many things. Or maybe let's say originally that was a shopping mall, and I want to create a condo or something. You change the building use. Then you need to create. You use existing structure. Maybe office is a more. I think it's office building is stronger than residential. Right? So convert from office to residential is okay, but from residential to office, that's not the problem. Right? So let's pretend like something like that kind of happens. We have a structure here. Then I'm going to create, I'm in the architecture file here, and I want to create the architecture one. Right? Now just simply I want to create, but let me say, I have line option for draw. Then I know this is how many levels. I'm not quite sure, but right now level 1, level 2. Okay, let me say unknown to level 2, right? Then I'm gonna create something like an offset here. Right now structure here, right? Just guessing here, maybe 1 foot outside. Then wall center line. This is another one. Wall location is something like this. Where is a guide of the wall? Maybe let's say you say exterior side means the guideline is completely outside, right? Interior side, interior finish. We have these selection. These selection. Default setting is wall center line, but that's okay. But you change the finishing material each time wall is moving. That doesn't make sense. Yeah? So usually we take this core facing exterior. Core means a structure. Whatever the wall type you select. Let's use core facing exterior and then offset 1 foot. Now I'm going to do this. I will select the center. Right? Now, something I create this one is just 1 foot outside. You see? Right? I can create that. Okay. Just outside because I'm using. Let me just change that a little bit differently. Right? Something like that. Okay. Right? I can create this. Right? So now what do I have? Let me go to 3D. Oh, okay. Something. That's a problem here because basically the level was wrong. Okay. Oh no, no level one. This one is a 2-story. This one, okay. Now what is the problem is I need 1 more level. last time project setting, I skipped that part completely. So what I need, this wall here is second, but the structure is the roof, 2 layers. So that's what I need. So what I can do here, quickly I can create new levels here. Now that's the situation. Okay. Now I created here, but this level is not same as this one, right? This is a problem. Now we're gonna do this. I need another level too. Same level we need. Right? Okay, so that's one I need to have 12 space 8, and then I need to have roof, right? So what do you do? So datum level and pick line, and just pick this one. Right? It's created. Now you select that. Then that is create that. Right? Level 3. Now that level 3, then maybe you can change to the roof. Right? Oh, sorry, something wrong. Okay. Oh, cap lock. Okay, apply. You want to change? Yeah, change, right? So I have a roof. This is a linked level, and this is a project level. It should be the same level, of course, right? Same project. Right? Now I have. Then what do you do? So you select wall, everything. I use the tab key and select all this connected wall, right? Then you're gonna say that level 1 to level top level roof. Right? Now you have actual project, right? Right. Now let me say this is a situation I have here, but well, we don't need a structure here, but we need to do something, right? But now let me say this is a situation. Now this is a link here, right? This is a link. What if you won't take this structure element inside this project? What do you do? Because the main structure we need to use basically, even the architectural firm won't have, at least we need a column location, right? The structure engineering, maybe you can create more changing member size, anything, but I want something, right? So then you're gonna do this bind link. Let me switch the bind link now. So we already experienced how it's works. Bind link. Now, attach detail, level do you need, grid do you need? Now level, don't take level because I already created the same level, right? If you didn't have that level, you need to click this one, right? Now grid, you definitely need a grid because I didn't create any grid inside. So then if you don't have any grid, you cannot have any column, and therefore you don't have any guard, beam, anything, right? So take this grid, and level is already created. You don't need to take, and detail and grid. That's what we need. Right? And okay. Now let's okay. Now, do you want to maintain the link? No, I don't need because I converted. Link should be disappeared. Before I manually deleted that link. Yeah? So now this time half manually. You can say remove link because I want to put that stuff inside. Right? Remove link. Okay. Now I remove the link. So what do I have here? You know this is a block. Group. Right? This is a group. Group. Now what do you do? You want to edit group or ungroup? You can do this. Right? Now group. Let me see. Group chapter 6 model here because it's a group, right? It's created. Now this group here you have. Well, I want to do this ungroup. Completely ungroup. Now, by doing this, individual element is in here. Right? Now, at the same time, you can maintain the group model here. You can do anytime you can put in here and recover, but if you don't want, you can just delete from here. Right? Now, this kind of way probably practically is needed sometime, I guess, right? Because then we have more stuff to do, more efficient. Maybe there's a product team contains engineers, designer, engineer. Let's say architect, interior designer, a mechanical designer, engineer, or structural engineer, all in one team. So what do you do? So we have a way to do this. The project actually we have collaborate. You can collaborate and you can, but we don't do this for this class because it's more advanced. But actually in environment, in architecture firms, need to use this collaborate. Then who has a right to reach to every file? And where is the central file you use and add or something? Maybe this is a better practical. Yeah, we will not do this more basic issue. Right? But for now, let's say uh, support is remote, not direct network connection. So maybe this might be useful, right? Okay. Now let me just pause here right